Picture this, mamas. You are sitting in the most gorgeous, Michelin-starred restaurant in Paris, or maybe a super exclusive hotel lobby in Manhattan. You have got your favorite designer tote, your outfit is absolute perfection, and you are finally ready to sip a well-deserved glass of champagne. Then, right on cue, your little one decides to let out a high-pitched shriek that turns every single head in the room. The absolute panic is real. But here is the thing, being a mom does not mean you have to hide at home or stick to noisy, fast food joints. Today, we are spilling the tea on exactly how to keep your baby completely calm and happy in high-end establishments, so you can keep living your best, most luxurious life without the stress. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to upscale parenting, luxury vacation vibes, and keeping your cool while looking fabulous. We believe you can have it all: gorgeous travel, fancy dinners, and a peaceful baby. Grab your favorite iced matcha, and let us dive into our top 3 luxury hacks for stress-free dining and shopping with a little one. First up, let us talk about the power of the proactive feed. High-end establishments are quiet, which means any baby noise is magnified. The absolute best way to keep things serene is to stay ahead of the hunger curve. Do not wait for your baby to start crying to feed them. The moment you're seated, slip on a chic, breathable bamboo nursing cover, or prep your upscale, self-warming bottle. Breastfeeding or bottle feeding during the transition, like when you first sit down or when the appetizers arrive, is an absolute game changer. It fills their belly, keeps them comforted, and naturally lulls them into a peaceful milk coma right as your main course is served. Next, you need to elevate your distraction game. Forget those loud, bright plastic toys that make obnoxious electronic noises. They do not fit the aesthetic, and they definitely do not keep a baby calm. Instead, curate a dedicated bougie quiet bag. Fill it with high-contrast soft books, silent silicone teething jewelry that you can actually wear, and organic wooden rattles. If you are strolling through a high-end boutique or museum, use a premium stroller with a top-tier suspension system, like a Nuna or Upper Baby. A bumpy ride can wake a sleeping baby, but a smooth glide keeps them dreaming while you browse the latest collections. Finally, always have a graceful exit strategy. Even the most seasoned travel babies have off days, and that is totally okay. If the fussing starts and a quick nurse does not fix it, do not panic. Calmly pick up your baby and head to the terrace, the lobby garden, or even a quiet hallway for a quick change of scenery. A gentle bounce in a quieter space works wonders. If you need to step away from the table, simply tell your server, "We are going to take a quick stroll, please keep our entrees warm." It is confident, polite, and shows you are totally in control. You deserve to enjoy beautiful spaces, mamas. With these hacks, you can conquer any high-end spot with total confidence. If you loved these tips, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment with your favorite luxury travel gear. Thanks for watching Milky Way Travels, and we will see you next time. Safe travels, mamas.